This is the Body Surface Area Interactive Calculator, which determines the surface area of the human body for medical dosing and physiological assessments. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation formula with 6 options. Bois formula marked as most common, Mostell formula labeled simple and accurate, Haycock formula for pediatric use, Gahan-George formula for children and adults, Boyd formula marked comprehensive, and compare all formulas. For this demonstration, I'm using the Du Bois formula, which is already selected. There are 2 input fields. First is height in centimeters with a placeholder showing example 175.5. Second is weight in kilograms with a placeholder showing example 72.3. Let me enter a height of 175.5 centimeters and a weight of 72.3 kilograms. After clicking the Calculate button, the calculator displays the body surface area result. This BSA value represents the total surface area of the body in square meters, which is essential for calculating drug dosages, determining fluid requirements, and assessing metabolic rates. The Du Bois formula uses your height and weight measurements to compute this standardized physiological parameter used throughout medical and bioengineering applications. For your own BSA calculations, find the link in the description below.